This next segment of mine is one of my favorites, and I like to call it the Quickie.
A what?
The Quickie. In this one, there is no long explanation. It is just as I said, a Quickie fix. Make sure you have working smoke detectors throughout your home. Smoke detectors should be no more than 10 years old, and the age is usually found on the actual device. They're very easy to install and they could save your life. Having things in front of doors is a very big fire hazard. Make sure all doorways are clear just in case there's a fire emergency and you need to get out. So I have a fire extinguisher right now that's rated for a residential house and should be left in the kitchen area. Now, with regards to fire extinguishing safety, there is an acronym I like to use called PASS. It's widely used throughout all of Canada, and what it means is PASS, pull, aim, squeeze, and sweep. Try to get to the bottom of the fire. And that's my Quickie for today. Now remember, just because you're deadly doesn't mean your house has to be. They're very easy to install and they will make I can't, it's so hard to do this.
They could save your life.
And they could save your deadly life.